Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. In grateful recognition
In grateful recognition
for all that my alma mater,
for all that my alma mater,
Yabang Alto Elementary School,
Yabang Alto Elementary School,
has done for me.
has done for me.
In deep consciousness of my responsibilities,
In deep consciousness of my responsibilities,
I hereby pledge
I hereby pledge to her
my loyalty and promise
my loyalty and promise
to live accordingly to her ideals.
to live accordingly to her ideals.
No words
No words,
and actions
thought, and actions
shall ever tarnish your honor.
shall ever tarnish your honor.
The wisdom and strength
The wisdom and strength
that I have gained
that I have gained
shall sustain me always.
shall sustain me always.
In promoting the cause of truth,
In promoting the cause of truth,
fairness,
fairness,
compassion, and peace,
compassion, and peace.
I shall never fail
I shall never fail
the trust of gratefully spreading
the trust of gratefully spreading
what she taught me,
what she taught me,
the knowledge,
the knowledge,
the culture,
the culture,
the virtue,
the virtue,
the dignity,
the dignity,
and the unity of humanity.
and the unity of humanity.
So help me God.
So help